Attack!
Was that? I don't know what this is all about, but I'll play along. Pay attention. Yes. Understood. A clever strategy. Understood. Yes. I hear you. Understood. War is upon us. Let's move. A clever strategy. None will stand in our way. Pay attention. Prepare yourselves. I sense a knoll ahead. None will stand in our way. A clever strike. This was only a scout, but the knoll's camp lies just ahead. War is upon us. I hear you. None will stand in our way. I hear you. Pay attention. None will stand in our way. I hear you. War is upon us.
Yes, my liege.
None will stand in our way. Pay attention.
We discovered a group of Murloc raiders in the nearby river.
I hear you.
Aye, my lord.
None will stand in our way.
Not enough.
War is upon us. A clever strategy. None will stand in our way. Understood. I hear you. Pay attention.
On my way.
War is upon us. Pay attention. Let's move. Understood. None will stand in our way. Pay attention. War is upon us.
Say the word.
Pay attention. Yes. Understood.
Aye, my lord.
War is upon us. Let's move. Yes. Be wary, my warriors. Don't let nightfall dull your senses. Strategy.
Orders.
None will stand in our way. Pay attention. Understood, ogre. We'd have a fierce battle on our hands if the beast one is sleeping. I hear you.
What do you need? Say the word. What do you need? Orders? Yes, my liege. Say the word. What do you need? Say the word. Yes, my liege. Orders? Yes, my liege.
Pay attention. Understood. None will stand in our way. Let's move. Understood. A clever strategy.
Orders?
I hear you. Pay attention.
Greetings, son of Durotan. I knew you'd find your way.
It was you I saw in the vision. Who are you? How do you know me?
Human? I left my humanity behind long ago. I am something different now. Know that I have seen the future and beheld the great burning shadow that is coming to consume this world. You sense it as well, don't you?
The demons are returning.
Yes, and only by leading your people across the sea to the distant lands of Kalimdor will you have a chance to stand against them.
But how can we